him get charged $200,000 for mask. $200,000 for mask, and him a 17-year-old. Me have him birth paper right there, so. And that no fear. $200,000 for mask. 17-year-old. What kind of heart this government have?
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
You know, me always hear them say, there's three sides to every story. Your side, my side, and somewhere in between, there is the truth. But in this scenario, would I love to know who really tell the truth? Could it possibly be the mother in at the beginning of the video who said her son got charged for not wearing a mask and was slapped with a $200,000 fine? Or could it possibly be the court system will come out and say the mother a lie and the whole story is fabricated? Me going to make you take a listen to what the court administrator had to say. You listen and form your own opinion.
I wish to indicate that the report is false. He was not fined $200,000. Minors are not ordinarily listed before the criminal court. This only occurs in instances where they are charged with an adult, and in those circumstances, a parent or guardian is present. The minor in question was charged and brought before the court as an adult. When his age was brought to the attention of the judge, he was admonished by the judge and the matter transferred to the children's court, where he is to appear today. To provide further clarity, Section 52 of the DRMA establishes the offenses and penalties under the law, the maximum fine of which is $1 million. Now, the maximum fine that was issued at the St. Thomas Parish Court was $200,000. Those fines were issued to adult individuals who were charged under the DRMA.
Now, my reaction after listening to that is, really? Anyway, Foota heard the court administrator's response, and Foota say, yo, I don't really want to take for idiot. Who don't really think I go buy that? Who don't really think I go believe that? That story there, where you come cook up, because you see say, you in a little hot water. Listen what Foota say.
Some people are getting twisted. Some people are say the youth and the mother lie because him underage. That is not the case. Because me talk to police this morning, me talk to regular people, and me talk to lawyer this morning. Zine, different sector people down at Jamaica. Zine, watch you go on now. Me blame, one, the police will apprehend this youth here and lock up this youth here. Then two, it's sure that the system where an operator deal with crime in Jamaica is broken. See? And three, it sure say the government, the powers that be that implicated this new law under the disaster preparedness management, whatever they call it, has no consideration for the poorer class of people. And I'm going to break it down to you and tell you why I say that. Zine? Alright. Now, remember the lady will come and explain. I'm sorry, I don't have my next phone when I could have read it out loud where she write. Can I get a piece of paper where she write? Screenshot. But to me let my phone, my next phone in the next car. Zine? First thing, one of the police explained to me today. Zine, he must say, him believe say, the local youth lie about him age. Zine, and that's why him coulda get charged as an adult. Because remember the lady come and say, the youth get charged as an adult. Upon reaching in the court case, when him call up on their court, them realize, say, him is a underage person and transfer the case to children court. People if you listen wordplay when people are talking now. Them never say, I'll know the lady don't say. The youth get charged and in get charged and sent to the adult court. She now explain how him get charged. She explain how them send it to family court or children court or where them send it juvenile court. But the thing is how it get past the station front where him get locked up till it reach a court. The officer that apprehended this child, Zine, listening now, the officer will apprehend the 17-year-old before him even get charged. When you write him up, you not ask him age and him name. The two things that's required when you get arrested, your name and your date of birth. Your name and your date of birth. I think that lady that put out that statement today is lying. Them realize say, them get caught in a problem and them are set things when I go so. When the police pick up the youth, Zeal, and carry the youth to the station and have him in the little cell or the holding area, you're going to write what this youth is charged for. No, you have to write this youth your name and him date of birth. And the third thing you got to ask for him address. So how him reach a court as an underage person and who never know say underage still him in a court? Who not tell that? Me? Who not tell somebody like me we get locked up multiple times? So who never know say him underage still him reaching a court? So who write the report? Who write the case file? Who send in the case file? Him date of birth never on the case file? And make we say this now. Make we say this. Give the police the benefit of the doubt because they are the law. Let's say this 17-year-old lied and said he's 25. Wanna follow me now. Pay attention, people. Don't just make nice. Let's say this 17-year-old was apprehended by the police, taken to the police station, up and being charged. He lied about his date of birth and his name. So, like me ask the policeman today, when me and him are reason, so me say, if him can lie to the police about him age, because that's the allegation and I say I'm going to lie to the police. If him can lie to the police about him age, him date of birth, and him name, see? And they don't allow, because the police are telling me today, say, I go to bail him and them get who them get for bail him, have them ID and have everything. Okay. So, you are saying to me, with an intelligent IQ, somebody with have sense and know how the system works, that this man give wrong age, wrong name, and wrong address. But yet still, when you allow somebody to come bail him or give him station bail without any proof of the information that has been given to you. So our police system. So say this 17-year-old was a mass murderer and a wanted man. So who would allow a wanted man to be apprehended, charged in a wrong name, in a wrong address, see, wrong date of birth, and get bail to go home? Is that what you're telling me? That our justice system is so flawed and broken that a criminal can just give wrong name and wrong address and wrong everything and get bail to go home without. So where is the system put in place to make sure that the information given by the culprit, because this is a criminal, you're bringing me in as a criminal. So how are you going to now believe that the criminal is God and everything that the criminal say is true? People want to tell me On a reason with me if me I say madness or why not. People wanna look into what me I say now. Say the youth tell lie. Zine? Say the youth tell lie upon him age. That's why he was charged as an adult. Whose negligence is that? Who will be blamed for that? That means that the biggest wanted man in the world could have been 25 and come in a station and say I'm 17 now and let him go without any proof of knowing say I'm really 17. You lock up somebody, right? And you charge them for a crime. You're supposed to call them next of kin, you know. Whether it be him wife, whether it be him mother, whether it be him auntie, him guardian, somebody. He is required to get a phone call. So the phone call they would have you, the officer, talking. Do you know John Tom? Of a 37 Walnut Street address. Person gonna say yes or no. You're gonna say yes, you know him. He gave us this number to call as somebody to call in times of trouble. What is your name? Okay, your name is Elsilda Brown. Elsilda Brown, what is your relation to the accused? Well, I'm a grandson, you know, and him left out this morning and I'm not see him. Well, we have him in custody here at the station and we need for you to come over here and bring your ID. Whosoever your emergency contact may be arrives at the station. Now the officer will ask, how old is John Tom? You are going to say John Tom is 25 or 24 or 17 or 13. What is John Tom's real name? That person who come as in the person of contact officer, his name is Jonathan Eswaldo Tom. That's before you write a bail bond and send in a case file. So why it is upon meeting the judge, this youth here, people are find out say I'm 17. People, remember me not get into the reason why I'm get locked up yet, you know. That's not what we are talking about, you know. We are talking about say, how this lady I come tell we say, when the adult court, them find out say I'm 17 and send the case go a juvenile court. Wait a doing an adult court in the first place if the police them did do them job properly.
Now, as I said before, 3 sides to a story. The mother side, the court administrator side, and somewhere in between there is the truth. But I'm more leaning on the mother and the youth side. Because we all know them are going to try to come out and do damage control, you know. Me I talk about the court system and the government and the authorities. Them are going to come out and try to do damage control. We did expect that. Wanna talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, then you must get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. Me gone.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.